Instructions for the midterm exam are in the syllabus and also in the Cyber Cafe module. As it states there will be 6 questions that are taken from the study guide, which is in the Cyber Cafe module. And I'm going to go over those questions in just a second. But there are 6 questions on the study guide. 4 of those 6 will be on the exam. They are given to you randomly by Canvas. Some of you will get one set of 4, some will get a different set of 4. From those 4, you will respond to 2 of the questions. So 6 on the study guide, 4 of the 6 will be on the exam, and you'll respond to 2. To prepare yourself, you should prepare for 4 questions. That way, no matter what 4 you get, at least 2 will be on the exam. You're welcome to pre-write these. That does take effort, but it will take some of the pressure off at the exam at exam time. The most common question I get is how long the essay should be, and I do not have an answer for that. The more thorough and detailed your response, illustrating your understanding of the topic, the higher your grade. These questions do come from the discussions where we've been working towards them. You may use your discussion responses in the midterm exam. But the midterm questions are broader, so you're going to be going into more detail. So they'll be much longer than the discussion responses were. So again, let me go over the questions real quick for you. And again, 4 of these will be on your exam. So number 1, in detail, defend or oppose the following statement: natives were uncivilized heathen savages. This is mostly from chapter 2. You might pull a little from chapter 3, but the Europeans are going to look at them as heathen savages for the most part, but were they? And so take a stance and then support it. Your second option, which will come from the first 3 chapters: what impact did the explorers and natives discussed in chapters 2 and 3 have on each other and the European settlement of California? What role did geography play? So partly 2 and 3, but geography is going to be in chapter 1 mostly. Number 3, discuss the secularization and the foreign interference of California. How did they lead to the Mexican-American War? So you've got secularization and you've got the foreign interference, foreigners coming into California. And you'll find the material for this from chapters 9 through 12. The fourth option, discuss the California Gold Rush and its influence on the nation and California. What was the impact on the people of California and those that came during that period? This is chapters 14, 15, 16, and 18. So you're going to be looking at the gold rush and, again, the impact on the people that came during that period. So what was the impact of those people that came then, but also what was the impact on them after the gold rush was over, in the years shortly after. Number 5, discuss the building of the Transcontinental Railroad, including the response and evaluation of Judah, the Big Four, struggles and successes, and the impact of building the railroad. And this is from chapter 21. So again, we have the gold rush, and now we have the railroad to connect California to the rest of the country. So you can be focusing on all those things. And then your final option or possibility is evaluate the economic development and social unrest in California during the late 19th century. This is chapters 22, 23, and 24. So we talked about the gold rush. Again, the gold rush is what brought people here. The early economy really spiked as a result of that, but then the gold rush played out. So what happened after that? And as you'll see in chapter 22, as we talked about agriculture and many other things. And then discrimination and what happened to the Native Americans would also be part of this question. So let me know if you have any questions.